Hello students, I am Dr. Aditya Kidiyoor from Manipal MedAce, and I am the subject matter expert for forensic medicine and toxicology. I have over 7 years of experience teaching students and helping them get their desired rank and PG seat. So keep in mind, I'm going to give you some good advice and good help over here, right? I have managed to provide and record over 30 hours of video lectures and notes, along with over 200 previously asked questions in MCQ form, and also over 500 fresh new MCQs. Also very important to note, I have taken every effort to try and make the subject as easy as possible and as concise and concept-based as possible. This has been done with a lot of MCQs, a lot of mnemonics, a lot of case-based photos and examples. So keep in mind, every effort has been taken to make sure that this learning experience is really enjoyable. Also very important to note over here is that we've gone the extra mile in this app to try and provide for you exhaustive MCQ explanations. Further, we've gone and tried to provide as much as preparatory tests in a wide variety of styles, and also doubt clearing sessions, and all of these together are key in helping you secure the seat that you want and for you to get the success in your NEET-PG journey. I hope that this helps, and I hope that I see you later. Best of luck.